We are turning the humble cauliflower into something delicious with roasted miso cauliflower. It's tender, savory, and packed with that perfect umami punch that'll have you coming back for more. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a bold, umami-packed glaze. The combination of ingredients creates a flavorful coating that clings perfectly to the cauliflower. Chop up that cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. You want them evenly sized so they roast evenly. Once you've got that done, toss them around with the glaze. Make sure every single piece gets coated in that delicious sauce. It's where all the flavor comes from. Make sure it's in a single layer so it roasts evenly. Pop it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for about 18 minutes, or until it's tender and golden brown. Top with some green onions and crushed pistachios. And that's it. It's ready. Perfect as a side dish, snack, or even tossed into a grain bowl. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes by visiting nutsandtwigs.com.